Good afternoon to all the participants. First of all, I welcome all the participants on behalf of Kayaka Softwares Private Limited, Pune. The objective of this faculty development program, first I am introduce myself, Professor Lakshmikant Jayaprakash Gaur. The main objective of this faculty development program is first business through innovation. We all faculties, we can guide our students that how students can start their business from their own innovation. So in the day one, we have speaker Miss Ankita Nagarkar, who has 10 patents in the starting of their journey itself. In very minimum age, she got 10 patents. So in day one, we will see how we can start our own business, how our students can start their own business through their own innovations. So we will see today the business through innovation. Then next we will see the importance of patents. Nowadays, we lagging from the patents. We faculty members teach our students final year projects, they will do fantastic projects, but the final year students will not think about the patents. And as a faculty, we will also think for the patents. We should go for to file the patents. So today, ma'am will explain what is the importance of patents, how we can file the patents, and how these patents also help in the business. So this is the day one schedule. In day two tomorrow, we have one industrialist, Mr. Harish Aditya. He will explain the startup policies, how we can start our own startup, how our students can start our own startup. We can guide our students because all of us know the current scenario of COVID-19 pandemic. It is very difficult for all the countries. It is very difficult time, and in this difficult time, how lot of peoples are leaving their jobs. Our students has facing very difficulty right now for the placements to get the job. So we will see how this startup will help the students, so students can start their own business startup. So tomorrow he will explain what are the startup policies, the implementation ideas, how our students can start up their own startup, what are the hurdles, what are the government policies, how government support to start their own startup, so we can guide our students. Day 3, we will see the Google Classroom, the ICT tools. Nowadays, we know due to COVID-19, we are all moving to online platform. Nowadays, we are teaching our students online, students attending classes online. Nowadays, it is not possible to assist the students physically. So how this Google Classroom will help to assist the students online? And Google Classroom is the best ICT tools which provides you a single platform to assist all the students in a single class. So in day 3, we will see detail about Google Classroom. In day 4, we will see test modes, means how we can conduct the online test through test modes website, which is very used. No students, no need to download any app, nothing. Students has to just log in into the website and students can view the online examination. So we will see test modes in day 4. On day 5, we have one simple online quiz based on all these 4 sessions, and then we will give the certificates to all the participants. We have today's speaker, Honorable Miss Ankita Nagarkar. Hope all of you seen his biography, which I have uploaded on our Telegram group in the